Whoa. New attire again.
It's Fright night. We've got to show off that I am always punished. I'll tell you what, I will be world champion after tonight when I finally get my title back after beating Matt Davis. Bring him up. Wait, what?
The wolf music.
What the hell?
Why is he coming out to the wolf music?
What? Oh! Where'd you get that?
Mocking the wolf. Mocking the wolf man in.
Get this win. You know what? I've talked a lot in this rivalry. You know what? Not anymore. Let's get this shit on with. Matt Davis means business and he's about to go one-on-one with Wolf tonight at Fright night. Match is starting yet and Wolf can't get his hands.
Attacking.
Davis,
Right.
There's a kick.
Right. Ding ding ding. Start the match.
Taking that beanie off.
Oh.
Matt Davis clearly has no respect for Wrestling Online's Punisher.
Oh, blinding him with it there.
Oh my god! Wait. He's taking him down to one knee. Both knees now. Going in a little sleeper hold.
Oh. How is he able to breathe
I
from
think
that?
Danny will tap out. Tap. This match might be really short.
He could pass out here.
I wonder what's going to happen now. Is Danny Wolf going to get the ropes?
Wolf's got to try and fight out of this.
No, Matt Davis.
Oh. Running back.
Throws straight off to the Wolf's back.
Wolf gasping for air there.
Didn't even have to put any effort into that.
Whoa.
He dodges that elbow. The cat-like quickness of both men. Oh, dodges the jack in the botch. Oh, that enziguri was pitch perfect.
Brilliant kick there.
Oh,
Spear.
Spear from Matt Davis.
I haven't seen that from him before, I've got to say.
Mocking the Wolfman again. Matt Davis picking up the Wolf now. Who's hungry?
No, you can't do this.
Oh! Mocking the Wolf. His own signature move. The sandwich. It's over.
One, two.
Oh, there's a kick out from Wolf.
Kick out of two there. After one of Wolf's moves performed by Davis.
You can't pin a Wolf from his own move.
That was a free, come on.
Oh my god, electric chair. For an electric chair. Right, Davis in a lot of trouble. Electric chair drop. Davis landed straight on his buttocks. Both men down.
Big move there.
Matt Davis somehow first to his feet. Almost, no, he's dropping down. And now it's Wolf who looks to get the momentum.
Wolf up first.
Oh, Matt Davis trying to lift the Wolf, but he knows he has no strength. The Wolfman using his full body weight to counter. Oh, there's that elbow.
Let's go!
Danny Wolf getting everyone rolled up. Knocks the clothesline.
He's fired up.
Matt Davis, that means IQ
connecting there.
pays dividends.
Oh.
Go for that. Discus clothesline.
Big move there.
My god. Danny Wolf getting hyped now. What's he going for? Running round, running in circles.
What's he going for
He
here?
puts Moonsault!
Oh! One, two,
and Davis kicks out.
One, two.
Davis thinks to steal it out. No. Wolf kicks out.
Two pins in quick succession. Oh, big kick.
Matt Davis got him up now. Looking for a full Nelson. You can't really get the arms
Can he
wrapped
hit
around.
it?
Almost, there he goes. The long reach of Matt Davis can fit around anyone's necks.
Davis got it. It's like they're tussling.
Maybe
for
Danny
it, really.
Wolf be put out of his misery today.
Could Davis beat Wolf here? It's like,
Nelson. You see the way Wolf landed after that?
I saw that. It didn't look nice at all. Oh, both getting hairy.
Any other man taking that bump would have had brain damage, but Wolf still managing to get back up to his feet.
Well,
Almost.
Wolf is a strong wrestler in this company. I've got to say that. I'll give it to him.
He's definitely WO's Punisher.
Oh, where's Davis
But
gone?
now, as of right now, Matt Davis' ring IQ Get straight out of there.
Oh, he's got a wooden stick.
What's Matt Davis going for now?
What?
See what's on the end of that pole? Into that.
Oh, running.
Wooden.
Oh, throw it at him. Oh, Wolf with the throw.
Who's talking about this? Who's talking about it?
Danny Wolf going to the
Talk too
top.
much.
Matt Davis talks so
Oh.
much. Axe handle from Danny Wolf.
St. Davis talks too much as well. Oh.
Matt Davis straight into the apron there.
Now they're back. It's back in the ring.
Matt Davis trying to get things back into the ring. Is this a smart move, Matt Davis? We'll find out. Looks to try and get him. Oh, straight to the leg. Did you hear that?
Davis has done things like that before. Those little smart moves and people come out the ring. I've seen it before.
We've seen it all before with Matt Davis, but we've not seen it all yet from the Wolf.
Oh.
Come on, Wolfman. No. Now the Wolf.
Oh,
In a
what's he
headlock.
got? Oh. Is he gonna lift? Is he gonna
Wolf
lift
trying to fight out of
Davis?
it.
Oh.
He's got him.
Oh, straight on the face as well.
Wolfbone face buster. Now both men down again. The Wolf getting back up after that move.
Oh. Is Davis trying to climb out the
Davis
ring?
trying to get to the ropes. Uses the ropes as his advantage right now. Speaking of ropes, Danny Wolf trying to assess the
Fixing
why
the ring.
is how it is. Oh, did you hear that jab to the chest?
Big punch there.
Danny Wolf not caring
Oh.
about the ring anymore. He wants to get his hands on Matt Davis, but it cost him.
Oh,
it's that forearm.
forearm! You normally see a lot of them from Matt Davis, but that's the first today.
Now Matt Davis. Straight to the liver. Matt Davis now. Now I think Matt Davis has just fixed the ring. Matt Davis calling for it. No. Mocking a legend, which is Shawn Michaels. Oh, there's that sweet chin music. Falling onto the pin. 1, 2, and a kick out from Wolf. You can never pin a Wolfman from a sweet chin music. Wolfman getting back to his feet.
First to his feet here. Oh, Davis up now.
Oh, forearm strike to the back.
Oh,
Oh my god, what's Davis going for?
no.
What's Davis going
That's not
for?
what I'm thinking.
That's the
Surely
Wolf's
not.
move. Oh, rake the eyes. He's raked the eyes.
No way he's getting out of this one.
No.
Don't pull it. Oh,
Oh my God.
oh my god.
Pole driver.
The Wolf. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. No!
Oh,
The Wolf kicked out.
I said throw it again.
I said you can never pin the Wolf from his own move. Oh my god.
This is invincible here.
Wolf landed face first. You saw the impact that took a toll on his body.
What's Davis going for now?
What's Davis going for? Davis. Oh no. I don't think the Wolf saw that. Is he exposed to turnbuckles? Oh my god. No. No. There's Enziguri. Matt Davis
send him
sent
down.
straight into that turnbuckle.
Who's?
No, Wolf, no.
No.
Wolf, don't do it.
Crush him.
Wolf, no. No. Head first into the pole.
Oh,
No.
come on.
1, 2, 3. Matt Davis steals it. Matt Davis steals it. Oh my god. Matt Davis steals it.
Good.
He stole the win from the Wolfman. Can't believe this.
He's retained the